Afternoon, guys. We often hear a lot of talk about emotional intelligence and other types and kinds of intelligence, but we don't talk enough, or we don't hear enough about the adversity intelligence. It's easy to think and assume that if you are aware of that, you are aware of it, it's about bouncing back, it's about overcoming your challenges, it's about perseverance. But in actual fact, it is actually more about how you regulate yourself during your season of adversity. It is part of a soul ascension that we go through some adversity in our lives, that we will have seasons of adversity in our lives, and those seasons manifest themselves in different ways. Kungaba ama-challenges ahlukahlukene, where you find yourself like you're really in a season yobunzima. You're really in a season that is testing and trying you. And most people have died during the season. Maybe because we sometimes forget nature is our greatest teacher, that just like in nature, we'll go through various and different seasons in our lives. And when I say some people die in the season, I don't even mean a physical death, but people die emotionally, people die mentally, people die psychologically, because singazi how to handle this season of adversity, because we lack that intelligence of handling the season of adversity. Maybe we lack that knowledge and awareness ukuthi it is just a season, and that it's not permanent. Anything permanent in this world. And ngaleso sikhathi sobunzima, it is just part of your initiation, your soul initiation. It is part of a character yakho being built. It is training for whatever it is that your soul mission is. And it's unfortunate that people succumb in this season. People give up in this season. People pelelwa patience to wait and see what is beyond, or what is lying ahead after the season is. And this is just to say that maybe let us be aware and let us have that spirit of acceptance yokuthi impilo is lived in seasons. Impilo is lived in days.